Bullish Pancakeswap cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $21.25 and $46.27 by 2030. Market investigators accept cake could reach $21.25 by 2025. Bearish Pancakeswap market cost expectation for 2022 is $3.78. Pancakeswap presentation. The decentralized money environment is one of the profoundly determined areas in the crypto space that has drawn the worldwide populace's consideration, primarily in view of the great pace of improvement and low obstruction of section inside the chain. With the quick headway in the digital currency space, more tokens are coordinated to stay aware of the market interest and development. Pancakeswap has shown to be one of the impressive conventions as they present a useful and fledgling well-disposed method of activity. This DeFi project is viewed as one of the most incredible performing decentralized trades and furthermore the most advantageous for on-chain connecting and yields. In this video, we examine an outline of the environment, the continuous turns of events, and the exchanging capability of the resource the next few years. What is Pancakeswap? Pancakeswap is a consent convention that is likewise alluded to as a decentralized trade sent off on the Binance Savvy chain that upholds the cultivating and exchanges of BEP20 tokenized monetary forms. This convention was made by unknown engineers in September 2020 and used its local token, Cake, for on-chain exchanges at a lower cost and higher speed. It is something contrasted with SushiSwap and Uniswap. Then again, actually they're Ethereum-based and more costly. The decentralized trade uses robotized market creator model, a software engineer that takes out the requirement for outsiders in crypto exchanges and gives the expected liquidity. This novel model permits the stage's clients to store their assets in return for tokens from the liquidity supplier, and this arrangement of trade has given the answer for low liquidity in the DeFi space. In spite of the emphasis on decentralization, Pancakeswap permits the symbolic holders to offer sound aggregate proposition on the stage for administration, which is casted a ballot upon by different individuals, cultivating a feeling of local area. The Cake token has a few deflationary highlights incorporated into capability guarantee that the resource's reasonable worth is kept up with. Around 10% of the cash is raised during the underlying cultivating offering, and the symbolic lottery is continually singed, which supports keeping up with cost security. Because of its flexibility, the stage declared multiple million dynamic clients on their organization with an expected $6 billion stake as of April 2022. Pancakeswap key investigation. The group behind the making of these stages stays unknown. However, this reality didn't influence the consistent development and reception of the organization. Pancakeswap works with the Binance Brilliant chain for better versatility. However, Cake stays a decentralized token. This organization with Binance Trade has made the token open to a bigger crowd and aided increment the quantity of undertakings sent off on the convention. The guide that the token depends on is profoundly point-by-point with creative framework that is ceaselessly carried out by the advancement group. The guide highlights parallel choices, fixed-term marking, a drawn-out loaning and acquiring stage for LP tokens, NFT gaming and exchanges, and numerous others. Pancakeswap consume instrument. The classes of these symbolic consuming are 20% of Cake cash in the lottery pot is singed in the lottery program. 9.09% of the on-chain exchange charges are directed to the convention's depository, where it is immediately annihilated. This includes a ton of portions as 0.2% of the liquidity supplier's expense that is charged during trades is divided among the creating group and the LP, 0.03% and 0.17% individually. The group's allotment is singed day to day. 50% of the assets raised during the Pancakeswap IFO is at times scorched, which suggests that the greater the ascent, the greater how much Cake token that will be annihilated. Pancakeswap current cost. Pancakeswap is right now worth $4.72 USD. Cake has moved 2.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $46,469,490. Pancakeswap is right now positioned 67 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $705,806,396 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Pancakeswap market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Pancakeswap value forecast 2022. Pancakeswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Cake cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $7.08. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $6.61 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progression. Cake is supposed to have a base worth of $5.67. Pancakeswap Value Forecast 2023. Of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of cake will before long outperform $11.80. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the cake's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, cake will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $9.44 and a typical exchanging cost of $10.39. Pancakeswap Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $16.52 and cake might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Cake is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $15.11 and a low of $14.16 in 2024. Pancakeswap Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Pancakeswap effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the cake coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, cake will be green in 2025. The cake is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $21.25, with a base cost of $18.89 and a typical cost of $19.83. Pancakeswap Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the cake cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $24.55 by 2026, with a base cost of $23.61 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, cake has a most extreme value worth of $25.97. Pancakeswap Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $29.27. On the off chance that cake figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $30.69. Neglecting to accumulate the help cake needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $28.33. Pancakeswap Value Expectation 2028. While cake is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $33.05 and a yearly cost close above $35.41 in 2028. Pancakeswap Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Pancakeswap will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $37.77 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $40.13, averaging out at $38.71. Pancakeswap Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating